Oops, let me unlock you. Okay.
Careful. Alright, it's been a while since I uploaded a car wash video. So here we go. Let's see.
Your credit card information has been received. Please make a selection.
Here you go. Here we go. It's been a while since I did this. Alright. Yeah, it's been a while since I did a car wash video. I'm not being a copyright. Okay. And not being a copyright here.
If you would like a receipt, press refund. Your receipt is printed.
No receipt. Huh. There are undercarriage flashes here, so please go slowly.
Okay.
And try not to cuss or anything.
Oh, I would never. Unless it scares me pretty bad.
Okay. Undercarriage, here we go.
So I need to go slow?
Yes. It's pretty powerful too.
Yes. What's up?
I'm recording out the back. Careful, it might scare you.
Why do they make them so loud?
I don't know.
So you know it, I guess, but still.
I don't know why they make them so loud. Some of them are actually pretty quiet, so you can barely hear them.
Right.
Pre-soak. Look, epilepsy signs. They're called that for a reason. They flash.
Yeah, they do.
Oh, don't hit the wipers.
I didn't mean to. Sorry. I think they were already on.
Okay. This is a really nice coating of pre-soak.
Miss Brandy, have you ever had your car at the car wash before? Oh, yes. Several times.
There's the sprayers that do the triple foam. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Oh, nothing. I wonder if they did some modifications to this one too. No copyright intended. Oh yeah, they actually did change this one too.
When they change it to?
They changed it to 1 pass pre-soak, 1 pass of high pressure wash on each cycle.
Not because she paid a little bit more, right?
That's what it does now. Instead of doing 2 passes of pre-soak at once.
It's a lot of water.
I know. They don't call it the high pressure wash for no reason.
Oh. Yeah, Miss Brandy, they have to have a reason. Oh.
It's high pressure.
Very. Are we going to have any wheels left when we get out of here?
Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Okay.
All right. That is a lot of water.
That is a lot.
And now here comes the second pass of pre-soak.
So you think that's kind of like a wax?
Not really, it's soap. It's just soap.
Oh, it is?
Pre-soak is just soap.
Mm.
That's basically what it
I'll
is.
Get it pretty clean here. It ought to.
Yeah.
2 passes.
Yeah. I always get the most expensive wash.
Yeah.
It consumes a lot of money, though. Hopefully I can upload this. Because it's been a while since I did an upload. 3 months, to be exact.
How come?
Because of Mom's car being broken.
Oh.
And we're about to do the high pressure wash again. No copyright intended. Here we go. Yeah, the left side does something, the other side does not. Mom thought there was something wrong with it. And I told her there's not enough water pressure to run both sides at once during a high pressure wash.
Oh, that makes sense. It ought to be getting it clean, that's for sure.
I know.
How many gallons of water it uses?
I don't know.
I'm surprised you don't know.
Yeah, I don't like being copyrighted now. This is high pressure wash. This is like the one in Grand Saline.
It is.
Yep.
It looks like it might do a little better than that one. I wonder if it's the same people.
Yeah, it's probably the same people that own this one too.
I never go in that one at Grand Saline. I have a few times.
And now here comes the triple foam.
Wow.
Triple foam.
Oh, cool.
Hopefully it does a great job. It looks like it's spraying really well.
It does.
Oh, that is a really, really nice coating. Much better than the first few car wash videos I've done.
Very good.
The first two times was a fail.
So they got it straightened out now, don't we?
Yeah. Medium pressure rinse. Now it's doing medium pressure rinse. It uses both arms at once during the medium pressure rinse.
Oh, okay.
You hear that? It's not very high pressure now.
Right.
That was a really good coating of triple foam, though. Much better than the first 2 times I've been to the car washes. Now what are we about to do?
I have no idea. Can't see it. Clear coat?
I don't know.
Maybe.
It's going to the front now. And surface protectant. It's doing surface protectant now. Not sure if this one will skip clear coat too, but I guess we'll find out. Let's see. And this one also skips clear coat. What the? I'm not going to say it, but I find it strange why it skips clear coat like that.
I don't know.
Here comes the spot-free rinse. Oh, it's going slow on this pass, so it gets a good coating. Man, this is a long car wash video.
It is. We'll run out of battery. This is a long car wash.
Car wash videos are 8 minutes in length usually.
This has been longer than 8 minutes, I think.
Not the car wash itself, but the videos that you take. Dryer. It's dripping.
It is dripping.
Still got water on the car.
Yeah.
But
Very powerful.
But it's spot-free water, so the car should dry and not have a sign that it was ever wet. Just like Jacob Bogda says.
That's good.
At least it's not dripping more water on the car. Oh, you might want to go through slowly after it says drive forward, because it's a duo dry system. Drive forward. Go slowly. It's duo dry.
Okay.
The timer is burnt.
Bye-bye, car wash.
Never mind. The timer's not burnt out. Might have to hit the wipers for that. Thank you all for watching. It's been a long time since I uploaded a car wash video, but now I finally got back to doing it. Thank you all for watching. Bye.